Cross on the off stump, tried to get his...
Edge through second slip. Not far away from our man on the mic. It's gone to the boundary for 4 to finish the third over. Oh, use of the feet from McConkey. That's aggressive and positive from the Canterbury skipper. And we'll pick up 4. Nice way to finish the fourth over, 26 for 2. Well, there's another edge. That'll run away for 4 more. McConkey's playing with those fielders around that region. And this time it goes up and over the slip cordon for 4. Edged and gone. Comfortable catch. Sneddon picks up 1 with his first ball.
Just tall, thick edge. Good reverse cup catch as well. The ball is rising on the back. Just about to get an opportunity there.
Oh, there's no opportunity here. That is massive. Straight down the ground for 6. Big shot, Cam Fletcher.
On 6 hit it. Just those 2 little shuffle steps to get in position. Gave himself slight little bit of room outside the leg stump, and no one's catching it.
The national side. Here's Ian McPeak back. And that is loose. Clipped off the pads, and that should go all the way up to the bouncy castle for 6.
One from McPeak. Good balance, good strength from Cam Fletcher. Oh, he's just working in.
He is. He's been fantastic with the ball for us this season. He's
got him. Sorry, BJ. We'll just take the wicket. Nick Kelly takes the catch at mid-wicket. It has paid off that position.
A little bit there about his...
गुड़िया बोली, मम्मा बोली,
आप शहर से घर ज्यादा आते तो पापा भी बोल दे।
कल उसे चलते हुए देखने के लिए मुझे बस के पीछे भागना पड़ेगा। रेड बस के साथ अशॉर्ट सीट्स बुक करो, फैमिली टाइम इंप्रूव करो, मैडम खुश। रेड बस, अपनों को सपनों को करीब लाए। बस यानी रेड बस।
But no, he has been fantastic, and there was a
Pity Young Husband for his second over. Yeah! Oh, there's a big shout for LBW. He's got him. Eloise Sheridan puts up the finger. Pete Young Husband has the breakthrough.
Wrong in delivery from Young Husband. He gets tied into the stumps. You can see that at the hand. Yep, that is hitting Midland leg.
Oh, there's the edge and taken. Beautifully bowled. Rachin Ravindra has put a spell on the Cantabs here. Pete Young Husband does the rest.
The example of the turn, gripped, slow and beautifully bowled. Tough shot to be hitting through the onside.
Yeah! There's an edge, is there? Yes, gone. Cole McConkey perishes at the hands of Peter Young.
Time it's skipper on skipper, and it's thin edge. Good catch, you had to say, by.
Lovely shot. Blake Coburn says this is how it's done, boys. And the 100's up for the Kings in the 16th over.
Yeah, we've talked about that already. Both Cole and Toddy have opened or bowled in the power play against us here in the past, so expect one of them two to come nice on that.
Nathan Smith bowl the penultimate over and just gets away. Ian McPeak was at full length trying to reel that one in, just couldn't do.
They can still win this match.
That's high. Fielders coming from both angles here and taken. And it's Pete Young Husband. We know how good he is.
No timing at all from Todd Estill. Looked like it was going to land perhaps in a spot.
Well, it's only going to be the one to finish. Peter Young Husband grabs the ball and Billy Bowden signals the play.
FNP पर हर गिफ्ट है बना खास रिश्तों के लिए। डाउनलोड FNP now.
And out. A couple of starts for McConkey and Fletcher, but apart from that, no substance. They lost Chadbo's first ball of the game, and it means that by Van Beek and Smith, and then it was the spinners Ravindra and Young Husband who did all the damage through the middle. Katie Martin, it was impressive. Oh, there goes the in-swinger, and there was some swing. Direct hit would have been close. It was Cole McConkey. Nice piece of timing, that is beautiful. Just pick the gap, and that's the first boundary for Finn Allen Dunninson. He is going to be a sensational player if he's not already. Oh, crunch down the ground for 4. Great use of the feet by Nick Kelly, who's on the charge. And he's flat batted it straight down the ground for 4. Over. Oh, that's swung away. No timing again, but he finds the gap. Race away for 4. That's a nice cricket shot. Picks the gap at cover. What's the timing like here from Finn Allen? Work for the skipper to do. Can't chase it down. Good bouncer, Shipley. Oh, that's swatted away over mid-wicket. Exactly where that fielder just came up inside the circle too. Oh, that swung away. What a blow that is. That is big. Up on top of the bank from Kelly. Oh, that's brutal.
Just that pump of the wrist and beautiful swing. Nice and still in his stance. Wow, that is a huge hit.
Oh, that's hammered through the offside now for 4. Gave himself a little bit of room, and he's carved it through point for 4. Good from Kelly.
So far, O'Rourke.
Oh, good use of the feet. That's gone. Has that gone all the way? You betcha. Second 6 of the over.
Do your thing. Instagram Reels.
Not quite as big as his first one, but he'll take it. He'll break this partnership. Oh, that's gone straight up. No one's going to take any catching. It's gone almost one-handed for 6. That's in the air and that's out. That's just what the Kings needed. Ed Nuttall does the job. Nick Kelly on the way. And the Kings have their first. And it's the big wicket of Nick Kelly.
They needed this. Angled in. Straight to the fielder. Easy catch for Cole McConkey.
Oh, that's hammered through cover for 4. Nice way to get off the mark for Ravindra. Touch short from Nuttall, and it got punishment. Oh, look at the timing and the placement there from Ravindra. Touch full from Shipley. The placement was supreme. This is classy.
That one.
Oh, no. Get down.
Dragged it in short, unfortunately. Todd Astle trying to rip one through, and then it's been pulled away all the way to the boundary.
Off the mark. Obviously today not ideal.
Well, that's almost killed someone in the crowd, that one. That's been hit that hard. That's it, right. Oh, Allen backs away, lost the bottom hand. Got enough on it. In fact, got plenty on it. Allen hits another boundary. Today, Mr. Whippy in full swing. Mr. Astle trying to avoid the full swing. 14. Ethan, I have no doubt that you are in the ocean right now and not watching the cricket, but I thought I'd get that out of the way. Finn Allen, 50 runs off 25 balls. What a fantastic innings again.
Some style.
Oh, my goodness. Catch that. Someone, anyone. It is a display of power hitting off on everything.
Pick bones out of this. Touch short from Astle. Bowling to someone with the strength and the power of Finn Allen.
Oh, my goodness. That's just a baseball swing. Straight back over the wickets at the other end. Been on the back foot all day long, really. First ball of the match, Chad Bowes, and that was on the pads, and that has been pumped away behind square for 4. Of course, Kane Williamson's double 100. Oh, my goodness. It just keeps getting better and better. Finn Allen has taken this game by this.
Just got a cross onto the offside, and you'd think most people would be in trouble stepping across.
Dominant performance. Oh, and he even manages to get hold of that, and he's out. Coburn takes the catch. Finn Allen can't believe it. His innings comes to a close on 7 to the edge of victory. Unfortunately. Lovely play. Delicate shot, Troy Johnson. Got the reverse, got the bat down, and that'll run away to 4. Gee, that's lovely. Wickets at regular intervals. Cheeky single to finish the job. And a job well done. The Firebirds have put the blitz on here.